I'll be working from this picture. These are the paints that I used: unbleached titanium, burnt sienna, Mars black. We have green, sap green, titanium white, and a different sap green. And this is the painting. So I mixed the unbleached titanium and the burnt sienna together, and now this is the tree trunk. Just painting as thinly as I can, just to have kind of a base of how tall the tree will be. And the brush that I am using is a Princeton Round Velvet Touch, size 3/0. Next, I'm using Mars Black to create the shadow on the other side of the tree. To use that Mars Black again to draw some branches out, just to kind of get an idea of where I'll be putting the leaves. When you're painting this, it's okay to put those wherever you want, because you'll be kind of going over them several times with the color that you use for your tree. So it's okay just to make those wherever you want to put them. Don't feel like you have to hold back. So I like to start at the top and go down with the color here of the leaves. And right now I'm using sap green and burnt sienna just to kind of go down, and it's kind of creating the outward shape of the tree. It doesn't have to be perfect this time. I'm just kind of going over it the first time, just a little dots, just barely kind of touching, making it look like how it would look, just lightly touching my brush to the canvas. Now, if you remember from the picture I'm working from, it's a type of pine tree. So kind of following that format, kind of small at the top and increasing in length, branch length as I go down. And you know, it's not all just tree. I'm trying to leave space for the blue sky behind it. Because I know my sunlight is coming from the left side, the right side is going to be darker, so I'm going ahead and pulling out some of those dark colors by just using the sap green alone, without the burnt sienna color. Also, the bottom area is shaded as well, so I'm using just the sap green here too. Now to add the sunlight, I've added titanium white to the mixture to make a lighter color of the leaves. I'm just kind of adding in a bit of highlights just so I can see how the sun is reflecting off some of these trees on the left side. I'm adding more dark, so I've mixed Mars black with the sap green, and in adding a little bit more darker color to the leaves to give some texture. Going to use the Mars black and add shadow on the tree trunk, just of the leaves, creating the shadow as it reflects back on that, and adding in a few more lines of darkening the branches. And then kind of to finish it off, just add the kind of finishing touches of more dots, more texture, and just kind of keep doing that just to create the multiple layers of the leaves. So here you have some other trees as well, and use the same technique that I just mentioned with just creating layer after layer to make it look like a very detailed tree in the distance. And it's a simple process, so I hope that you can use it as well. Thanks for watching.